We also talked about the Hewitt Associates Best Employers Survey, and we identified that it's all about engagement. And if we take the concept of engagement and divide it into three subsets, we said what we're looking at here is what do people say about the organisation? Are they choosing to stay at the organisation, or are they secretly looking for new jobs? And are they striving? Are they working hard in this organisation? And we identified that what this Hewitt body of research has provided us with over 10 years that it's been done is it's identified that those organisations that consistently get ranked as having the most engaged team members are those organisations where leadership sets direction 3 times more often than the other organisations. And so at this stage we're going, okay, Rod, understand, fair cop, we need to set direction more often. So how can we do that? We want our team members to be walking out of our direction setting meeting, and ideally not only will they know what it is that they've got to do and how they're going to go about it, but there'll also be some emotions. We would have generated a feeling of motivation, a feeling of engagement, a feeling of enthusiasm about what it is that we would like them to do. And we identified that we can do this if our direction setting meeting answers 4 questions in a very specific order. The first question that needs to be answered is why? Why do I need to know this? Why now? Why me? Why you? The why question is the question that needs to be answered first, followed by the what question. What is it that you would like me to do? And we identified that the common trap that a lot of people fall into is they reverse these around. They talk about what first and then why. And if we put what before the why, you'll remember it sounds far more like a justification. And we have robbed people of choice, and so the only choice they have left is to rebel. And many people will choose that choice, often out of sheer bloody-mindedness, because we have robbed them of choice. Whereas if we reverse those 2 questions around and we talk about why first and then we talk about what afterwards, then what seems far more like a solution rather than a justification. After we have answered why we need to look at this and what it is that we are here to talk about, then people will naturally want to know, okay, how are we going to achieve that? And after we've covered off those 3, you'll find that people start sticking their hands up saying, that's all very well, Rod, but what happens if, or let's just say, and what happens when? And these are, of course, the what else, what if questions, and we need to devote some time to answering these. So we know that if we answer these 4 questions in this very specific order, we are more likely to be able to set a clear direction for our team members so that not only do they know what they need to do and how they need to do it, but they actually feel enthused and motivated. They want to give this a shot. And so what we did with setting direction is we took each one of these questions and we looked at a tip, tool, technique in order to be able to help us answer these questions as well as we possibly could.